So I hope you guys enjoyed that little footage that I just did. I recorded that on my DJI RONIN S and using my SONY A7 III with a Sigma 35mm lens 1.4. This is the new setup that I have for all my B-roll footages that you've seen shot in 4K but compressed to 2K to match this footage on this Canon G7X. So in the meantime, expect to see more footage of this camera as well as using this DJI RONIN S. It was definitely an investment. It's definitely a learning curve, but it's something I want to master and to produce way more footage that are in 4K as well as something high quality on every single one of my videos. This is just a test video that I want to put out for you guys, and if you guys really like what you see here and what this channel is capable of and what I'm capable of in the future of this channel, please smash the like button. That shows a lot of love to me and all my viewers and subscribers. If you're a subscriber, please leave a comment if you really like this setup and want to know more about it, or do you expect to see more footage using this setup in later events. And if you're a new time viewer just trying to see what's going on with my channel and like what you see, please subscribe. It definitely helps out a lot. The more subscribers, the more footage I can put out. You know, every little thing helps. I just want to be able to expand out and reach to the broader audience, and playing with this photography video thing definitely gonna help me out a lot. So I'll end it here. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.